Janitor AI has emerged as one of the most popular platforms for creating AI characters, primarily due to its flexible content policies that allow for more creative freedom compared to other platforms. To power these AI characters effectively, integrating with advanced language models is essential. GPT-4 offers superior language understanding, context awareness, and creative response generation through its robust API system. KoboldAI provides an alternative approach with options for local deployment and extensive model customization. This gives users more control over their AI characters and privacy over their data. Before you can start building AI characters, you need to handle several technical prerequisites. This includes obtaining valid API keys, configuring your network settings, and implementing proper security measures. Understanding key configuration parameters is crucial for optimizing your AI character's behavior. Temperature settings control the randomness of responses, while max tokens limit the length of generated text. Here's what actual model settings look like in practice. You can see the temperature set to 0.5 for balanced responses, max tokens configured for appropriate response length, and other parameters that fine-tune the AI's behavior. By following these initial setup steps and understanding the key parameters, you'll establish a solid foundation for creating engaging and interactive AI characters on Janitor AI. This groundwork is essential for the advanced implementation techniques we'll explore next. Advanced implementation of Janitor AI characters begins with hybrid model approaches. By combining GPT-4 with specialized models, you can optimize both performance and cost while creating more sophisticated character behaviors. Privacy-conscious users can leverage KoboldAI for local model deployment. This approach keeps all data on your own hardware, providing complete control over your AI characters while maintaining privacy and security. Advanced character AI implementations include sophisticated memory systems that allow characters to remember past conversations and adapt their behavior based on user interactions. This creates more engaging and personalized experiences. The future of character AI is incredibly promising. GPT-5 integration will bring enhanced capabilities and lower costs, while larger context windows will enable more coherent long-form conversations. Multimodal integration will add voice and image capabilities, creating truly immersive character interactions.